Sit down.
We're going to talk about coding today. And then...
Hello, Eric. Hello, Mr. Eric. Hello, Mr. Ryan.
Hello, Mr.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year.
Okay.
Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Well done. So today we're talking about the intervals. Intersection.
Intervals.
So can you tell me what's interval? Intervals. What's the intervals?
Why?
Why? Don't be shy. You know. You just say you know. Intervals.
It's just a twin.
Yes. Keep up.
Something to do with numbers.
Yes, exactly. Something to do with numbers. Remember, we have this line, yeah, this line, and here is 0, yeah, yeah. We got the numbers only, and integers. Integer will be only, yeah.
-1, -4,
And it can be half of it, maybe 1.5, yeah, something like that. These are called fraction number or real numbers. Yes, all these are called real numbers. Okay, and these are integers. Okay, the intervals. For example, like interval, it could be 0, 1, so it could be 0, 1, yeah. So it means this is the interval, yeah. Just this period, yeah. Yeah. How about?
This is 1.
Yeah. How about I give you a list of intervals like 0, 1, and then 2, 3, and
4,
then
5.
and then 5, 6. Okay, and then maybe -1, 10. Okay.
Okay.
So what does it mean? Here.
What does it mean?
0, 1 here is here. Yeah. 2, 3 here. They're not intersecting each other. Yeah. They're separate. Yeah. 5, 6 maybe here. 5, 6 is here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But
And
what about -1 and 10?
yeah, -1 here, and then I need to do this. Okay, -1. Okay. So can you tell me that if there is a interval that is part of every intervals? Do you know what I'm talking about?
No.
Okay, for example, like if this is 0, 1.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, if it's 0, 5, and then if they are this is 2, 6. Okay, 2, 6. So the interval part will be 2, 5. Correct? Yeah. So in the section. So look.
2, 5, 2, 6.
Here, this is the part of interval, and then here is the part of interval. What's the common part? It's this bit, yeah? This bit, yeah? This bit is the common part, like intersecting each other, yeah? So for this one, is there intersecting each? No? No, because these three are separate, and then they're not common, right? So how about if I tell you, I give you a list of intervals, and then I want you to find out if they are common intervals, and what are they? What way is
How
it?
can we know if it's common?
Do you know? Do you understand this problem?
No.
Not really. Okay, look. Keep quiet, right? If I 0, 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
3.
10.
Look, if this is 0, 2, like I give you an interval here. Yeah, 0, 2.
Yeah.
And I also give you another interval 1, 3. So what's the common part?
1, 2.
Exactly. Okay, so let's say suppose there are a list of the there are n intervals. Yes, there are n intervals. And then can you tell me design algorithm to
What's the
find
algorithm?
algorithm?
Oh, it's a way.
Yeah, it's a way. Design a method to find out the common part of all intervals. Do you know how to do it? How about let's start with two intervals, like 0, 2, 0, 2, and 1, 3. So how can you find the intervals of it? Yeah? Any idea? How can we find this? So this is, look.
We just have to draw it.
No, but the computer don't know how to draw, so I give you a hint. Okay.
Oh,
So
I can see it.
I give you a hint. So
1, 2.
That's yeah, something about a 1, 2. Yeah, but how to get this 1? How to get this 2? So for the left boundary, yeah, for the left starting part, yeah, we want to find out the maximum of all the intervals. The left, we want to find out the maximum of these, the starting of all the intervals, right? Yes. And for the ending point, finishing point, we want to find out the minimum of all the intervals.
Mummy's
yeah?
hoovering.
Yes. Yeah. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Look. This interval. For the start, we want to get the bigger one. Yeah.
Why?
And then for the finish, we want to get the smaller one. Yeah. So then it will be the interval. Yeah. Can I try?
Yeah, but that's part of drawing.
Yeah, but look, if I don't, I don't draw, and you tell me, okay, like 5, 10, and then 3 and 7. So what's the common part? What's the common part? Remember, we want to find the maximum, the starting point. The first number.
5, 3. 5, 7.
Sorry. These we 3, 7. Yeah, 5, 7. Yeah. We want to these. We want to. The first number we want to find out the maximum of all these interval, which is 5. And then the second number we want to find the minimum of all these, which is 7. Yeah? 5, 7, yeah? Is it true? If we draw it, that's 5, 10, and that's 3, 7. And of course, the interval is this bit. Yeah? Yeah? And if we have a lot, this same algorithm can be applied to it. Yeah? So let's write this, please. Define interval intersection. Yeah, intersection.
Column.
And let's go to interverve.
Column.
Column. So now we define the left and right. Right? Left. The result is left and right. Okay. So left, right equals the first one. Yeah. So the first one will be intervals. The first element is 0. Yeah. 0. And intervals 0, 1, yeah, 0, 1, yeah, yeah. So this is the intervals are given. These intervals are given like that, yeah. 5, 3, and then 3, 10, yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then next way, and we
Okay,
gotta
wait.
think about whoa.
How about the interval is nothing? So if it's nothing, if it doesn't contain any element, we need to store return.
What's this?
Yeah, that's okay. Return false or anything. So an exception or exception. So look, we can check if length, yeah, this interval equals 0, then we return none, okay? Because there's non-intersection, and we return non-interval, and obviously there's no intersection. So this interval 0, interval 0 is this, yeah? Interval 0, 0 is this, okay? So the left. Interval 0, 1 is 0, 1, so it's 7, okay? So let's write. Left is 5, right is 7, okay? And then now we looping the interval for I in
range.
We are in
interval.
intervals, yeah.
In the full group.
So now we're doing the left equals max. We want to get the maximum of all the starting point, which is I 0, right? Right? We want to get the 5 for the first coordinate interval, starting interval. We want to get the maximum, yeah. And then for the right, we want to get the minimum, right? So which is mean, yeah. Right. What's this? What's this? I what? Put a number here.
Interval.
I what? This is 0.
1.
1, yeah, that's 1. Because we want to get the second number, yeah. And now we have left and right. But if there is no interval, what should we do? Look, if this is 1, 2, and this is 3, 4. And what happened in this case?
There are no intervals.
The left will be 3, yeah? Finally, the left will be 3. And right will be 2, right? Yeah? So the left will be bigger than the right, right? Which is doesn't make sense.
No.
Means there's no interval, right? Yes.
Yeah.
This is no interval, right? Because 1, 2, and 3, 4 they don't intersect, right? Yes. So, but in this case, if we got a maximum of left, which is 1 and 3, which is 3, and the minimum of the right, which is 2 and 4, which is 2, and then now left is 3, right is 2. What does it mean? No interval, no intersection, yeah? So if left bigger than right, return none, yeah, because there's no intersection, okay? Yeah? And otherwise return what? Return the intersection.
False.
Left and right, okay? Got it?
Return left and right.
Yeah? This is the
Yeah.
interval we're looking for. Intersection.
Relax. Yeah.
So does it make sense?
Yeah.
What's the time complexity? If there are n intervals, what's the time complexity?
O-N.
O-n, yeah?
O-O-N. O-N. 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 It's O-N. It's O-N.
O-n, O-n. Yeah, it's correct. You're saying like O-n one. Okay, so why is O-n? Can you tell me?
Because you need to get all of the notes.
All of the intervals, yes? And what's the space complexity is O1, right? Because we are only allocating the constant space, the left and right, and we don't need to allocate the space. If there are any intervals, we don't need to the space we allocate that do not increase as the size of the input. Okay, so it's constant left and right. Okay, so now, Ryan, Eric, sorry.
Oh, I'm here. I'm relaxing.
Okay, so now, can you tell me,
Tell me.
can you tell me, if left and right is equal, is it still an interval? Like if it is 0, 0, and 0, 1, what's the interval of this? What's the intersection of this?
0, 0.
0, 0. So yes, 0, 0 is still a valid interval. So it doesn't look if you put if in this case left will be 0, right will be 0. So we're still retaining 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0. Okay.
What's the time?
This max and min are built-in Python functions. So you will return the maximum of these two values, right? Yeah. So if you want to write it as if, you can write it this way. If I0 is bigger than left column, left equals I0, okay? And then min is the same. If I1 is smaller than right, then because we find a new smaller right, then we do this right equals I1. Am I right? Okay. So any questions?
No.
Interesting?
Interesting?
Yeah, okay. Say bye-bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, okay?
Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year.